Hello future tech leaders, I am Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
So the school management API. The requirement is like this. Let me share the requirement. What's the requirement? We will see. So every year a new student will join the school, right? New batch of students will join the school, right? So you need to register the new school. New means the API, the application you're going to develop. That needs to register. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.